Dear students, welcome to NRS YouTube channel. So in the previous class, we discussed regarding forms in MS Access 2010 database. So in MS Access 2010 database, we created the different forms with the different methods we have, right? So and also we created and form, and also we format the form, right? We discussed how to format the form, in the sense the appearance of the forms we have to change, right? So how to change the appearance, how to make the forms looks beautiful, right? With different kinds of different tools we have used, right? So today we'll see one more concept, or one more object in MS Access database, that is report. So dear students, look at the screen. So in the navigation pane, here we have created objects. The first object we created table, and next the object we created forms, that is admission form of NRS, and also we created one more form, that is student info form, right? So I will open admission form NRS, right? So this is the form we created in the previous class, okay? So and also we formatted in this form, like applying color for the text, applying background color of the form, right? So applying the different colors of a text which we have inserted in the database. So regarding that we have discussed in the previous class. So today we will see one more object, a very important object, that is report, right? So what is the report? What is report in MS Access 2010? So report is nothing but report is a way to produce data stored in a database, right? And tables in a printed form, right? So whatever the data information you have inserted in a database, whether it is directly to the table or through the help of a form. So in any kind of way you have inserted data values in the database, in the table, isn't it? So report is nothing but, suppose I have created one table. So from that table I want a printed form or a printed report I want, right? How many employees are present in that particular organization, and their name and their designation, their qualification, and at what date they have joined the organization. So these kind of the data information, if you want in a hard copy, if you want as a hard copy, so you have to create a report. So when you create a report of that particular table, so you will get a printed form, right? So in a printed manner you will get a report. So that is also a soft copy. When you create the report of that particular table, right, with different kinds of fields, so then you can take the printout of that report, right? So this is what we have the report in MS Access 2010 database. So dear students, today we will see how to create the report on the created table called student info, right? So look at the screen, students. So as usual you have to go to the ribbon part. So in the ribbon part you have the tab called, look at the screen, you have a tab called create tab. We have a tab called create tab. Click on create tab. Click on create tab. Well, here we have different type of groups. We have template group, tables group, queries, forms, reports, and macros and code. So in a report group, here you have a report wizard. So click on report wizard. Yes, so you will get a report wizard window. So in the report wizard window, here we have available fields from the table called student info. So here we have to select the fields. So these are the fields which are available in student info table, and in your created in your created report, what the information you need to display in your report, right? So if you want all, you can just click over here, you will get all the fields. Or if you want only selective fields, if you want, so then you have to click on that particular field and then click on here, right? So first I need a roll number, next I want name of the student, and I don't want marks, I don't want fees, only I want roll number, name, right? Suppose if you want even the class also, you can just click over here. Next, marks and fees are there. So marks will take, so otherwise I don't want marks, I want fees, so fees I will take. Okay, so roll number, name of the student, class, and fees, right? So then click on next. You are creating a report. In that report you will get a data information. What information you want, it will display only the selected, what you have selected the field from the table, so only those information will be available. So click on next, and then click on next. So tabular will select, and then click on finish. Yes, so this is the report you have in a printed form, right? You have in a printed form, right? Print preview, right? So you can take the printout of this one. Okay, so it is very easy to understand, right? Whether if you didn't create report, and if you want to access the data information from the table, right, it is very difficult to understand. Okay, so when you create the report on that particular table, then it is very easy to understand, right? So I will go for here, right? So if you suppose if you take the printout of this one, suppose if you take the printout of this one, right, so we will get the report. And if you want to make some formatting again, right, that is also available. So as we have formatted the forms, applying colors and all, so in the same manner you can format the report also, right? So in the next class we will see again one more time we will create the form, report, and how to how to format the report with different kinds of tools. So that we'll see in the next class. Thank you.